Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink. Today's topic is Love Is You by Santana. It's a kind of guitar masterclass. We'll check out the main theme and some ideas or some concepts, how you play around the theme. This is a pretty good example. I can do it, you stick on the main theme and then play a little bit around that. So for those who don't know, the song is this one here. It's not one of the most popular ones, but I love that one. It really works great. And so on. So this was the main theme. We first gonna check up the theory a little bit behind it. What kind of scale you're gonna play here. Even Santana probably didn't really stick too much into modes. We just quickly check it out and then go into the topic. And this is not really entirely the Santana playing style. Even I try to adapt it a little bit because everybody has its own style. But I'm playing around the theme and just make it sound nice with little fill-ins. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, this song is in C major, and there are not many really cool major songs which fit for guitar. I don't know why. Most songs for guitar are in minor, but it's one of the very rare major songs. So we're playing C major scale. And this, we take this position here. This one here. Pretty similar to the A minor scale with C major. Starting here, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 8. So this position, then we move over. Also, we go in the upper position here. We're going to see that later. They'll also be playing in the high position here. That will be this one here. See here. This is the 15th fret. 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 12, 13, 15, 12, 13, 15. Yeah. So these are the three main positions. You can play this one here, but it's basically played down here and it really fits nice. And if you're into minor pentatonics or minor scale playing, it's pretty similar to the minor scale playing, just with the exception or the difference. The C, the root note, is here, the 5th fret. So we and the melody starts like this. Here, 5, 7, 5, 7. Slide up here in the nut. And then back to 5. See here? So 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 5, 9, 7. Then 9, 8, 7, 7, 9. So this is the first theme. So this is played twice, but the second time you may play like this. You don't go back here in the 5th fret. So melody at the first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, starts in 3, 1, 2. And Carlos Santana really, he has a special type of vibrato, and he doesn't make so much vibrato. I do too much for his style, but it's somehow in my system. He just keeps it and works with the overtones, and then he comes a little bit with vibrato in. That is the first part. Play twice. You make with this little variation. Then comes the second part. So it goes with the chords. The chords in the second part make so C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, to F6, to E minor 7, to A minor 7, to D minor 7, to G, to C major 7. So you hear it in the chords, to F6, E minor to A minor, to D minor, to G7, C major 7 to C7, then we go up. So, and the melody follows here. 5, 6, 8, 10, then 9, 7, and then the melody. We are here, 7, 9, 10, 7. Then we go back down here, 5, 7, 5, and then 5, 7, 5, 5, 6, 7, 5, 5, 6, 7, 10, 8. Then the same thing comes again, but now it starts with the fill-ins. What are fill-ins? Fill-ins, you play the melody. And instead of going on with the melody, you make something as... We can do the same as Carlos Santana did. I think it was something like that here in the 15th. But you can play any fill-in. Then you come back to the melody and keep the motif going on. And then we also have to... Then the melody comes again. Then you make something else instead of the main melody. Let's check it out how that works. Sounds a little bit complicated. First you have to learn the melody and then mix it up. If you play a whole thing, you first play the melody, then start going out with these little fill-ins, and then more or less you play around the melody. So let's check it out, how it's done. First we start with some fill-ins. La melodie. Now we start fill-ins. Now comes again the first part. We start with fill-ins. Now in the second part we play the melody but go more into fill-ins. Yeah, see, I mean, that was not entirely Santana with the fill-ins, but as I said, it's not about playing exactly the same as Carlos Santana. This is a really good example, playing around the melody of a theme. The theme in this case is a little bit complicated, but I listened to the song to really get to know it, and it's really a very nice example how a melody can develop with little motifs and moving up. It's maybe for some of you it's too sweet. For me, sometimes I like it when it's so sweet. Sometimes I think, oh my God, it's just too much. But I really love this little tune here more than Samba Partie, because Samba Partie is a little bit over listened. Yeah. But this really makes sense, and you don't need to make it really much in between. You can add any kind of minor pentatonic. In this case, it's got to be major pentatonic stuff. Something like this here, or I mean, I checked the recording of Carlos Santana, and he literally doesn't do really much in between. He just works on this one here, 8 to 10 to 8. The bending here, this bending here, the 15th, this one in the 15th, and somewhere he has a run, like where he goes up just with a major scale, or from here, maybe from here, who knows where he did it exactly. I would say it was here, from the sound of the strings, and also leads direct to the zone where he wants to be. Yeah, that's more or less what you can do here. Yeah, folks, that was a little bit a short tutorial. Love Is You by Carlos Santana. Just show the theme and some short ideas how to just fill in between the melody. You can choose any spot. I mean, this melody is great because in between you have a lot of breaks, and in there you can really add some cool fill-ins. It's really a very good tune to practice that. And it's one of the, as I said, very rare tunes, which is in major, but still sounds great. Yeah. The tabs and the backing track can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, or you can jam along with the original if you want. This man is cool. Yeah. However, more to say? Not really more. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink. Or signing off.